Greetings everybody, thanks for checking out my update video. Here's my progress for March 2021. Here are my stats. Let's take a look at the views right here. 57,000, about 3.2 thousand less than usual. And you can see here the trend for the previous year. It's been going downhill, and up to now it's still kind of low compared to May of last year. But for some reason my revenue has gone up even though my views have gone down, so that's really strange. As a matter of fact, this is my all-time high earnings, $905.78. Okay, let's take a look at the audience, and you can see here returning viewers, not that many. Unique viewers, the bulk of my views, and subscribers increased just a little bit, 372 new subscribers for March. And down here, top locations. And what's interesting is that India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, these countries are increasing with my channel, and normally these countries pay very little for ads, and for some reason my ad revenue has been increasing, so I find that a little bit strange. And down here, some languages and other stats. Let's go to revenue. All-time high, $905 for March, 21% increase. And the playback CPM, $43. Okay, let's take a look at my last 365 days. I want to show you guys something. My top videos during this period, or the top 10 videos here. In the past, I've never really paid attention to my top videos. Usually I make about maybe 70% of my videos are mostly WordPress focused. And let's take a look at my top 10 videos. And as you can see here, I've only have one video relating to WordPress out of my top 10 videos for the entire year, and the majority of them are on cPanel, which I barely make any new videos on. We have here cPanel, this one is cPanel related as well, another cPanel, and down here more cPanel. 4 out of 10 of my videos, or the most popular videos for my channel, is based on cPanel, and I focus very little on cPanel. Okay, with this information, I will be making more cPanel related tutorial videos in the near future, so expect more of that. And I will also encourage you to take a look at your top 10 most popular videos in the past year and see which one has been doing well, and then make more of those kind of videos. Alrighty, thanks so much for viewing. Please subscribe for more progress updates on my channel. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.